This is an emergency alert issued by the United States government, broadcast at 10:37 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. This is an emergency alert on behalf of the Department of Defense and the North American Aerospace Defense Command, NOAA. A severe biohazard event has occurred at the Canyon Desert Research Complex, southwest of Santa Fe, New Mexico, at 10:37 this morning. Confirmed multiple fatalities and systemic failures in internal containment and security protocols. Nature of the threat is unknown, highly infectious and hostile. Residents within a 150-mile radius must evacuate immediately through authorized routes. The following cities are under emergency evacuation: Los Alamos, Española, Taos, Gallup, Roswell, and Albuquerque. Military units from 12th Infantry Division, National Guard Chemical, Biological, Radiological and Nuclear Response Teams, CBRN, and elements of the United States Air Force were dispatched for support. Armed forces are authorized to enforce quarantine and establish lockdown perimeters. Failure to evacuate may result in extreme risk to life. Take only essentials and identification and avoid secondary roads. This alert will repeat every 15 minutes until evacuation is complete.
This is not a drill. This is not a drill.